civilizations. Today we request you to embark with us on a journey where we take you from the majestic peaks of Sikkim to Bengal along the river Ganges. The journey begins with a self-composed song, Hamara Bharat Bhumi, which is a fine amalgamation of Hindi and Nepali in praises for the motherland. Thereafter, we present you a melodious Bengali folk song, Shohag Chand Bodhani and Fagunira Mohanai, which welcomes the spring season, followed by a soulful Bengali song, wherein the host welcomes the guests and describes it in the song, Bolio Nolani. And at the end, the show's topper being Nakaho Alvida, a self-composed song written by Kenneth Asif Rana. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the electrifying performance coming next by the cadets of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate.
चलते हैं हम
खून से लिखते कसम धरती माँ की पुकार सुनो
कदम से कदम मिले हम
सच के साथ रहे सदा
झूठ से रहे दूर
दुनिया को हम छोड़
चले हैं बहुत दूर न कहो अलविदा न कहो अलविदा न कहो अलविदा न कहो अलविदा
मेरी जान